Hello everyone, welcome to Drawleaper channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp. Now the first thing you have to do is open WhatsApp. Now from here open the chat that you want to lock. If I open it, then tap on profile. From here scroll down. Here you can see chat lock option. Now just tap here to enable it. Then tap on continue. Now to enable chat lock you have to verify your fingerprint or face. If I scan my fingerprint, now you can see chat lock is enabled. Now if you close your WhatsApp, then open WhatsApp again. Here you can see lock chat option, then tap here, then scan your fingerprint and it's unlocked. Now if you want to disable chat lock, go to same settings again. Then tap on chat lock, then draw your pattern and it's disabled. And that is how you can lock chat on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.